Hi, welcome again. So we're going to be preparing for one of the ways, a meal I use to punch back CKD. When chronic kidney disease knock you down, you knock it out. These are some powerhouse vegetables I'll be using, full of antioxidants, full of nutrients that are so healthy. They help you to alkalinize your system naturally and get you right back on track. It's been doing this with my GFR, increasing my GFR, lowering cholesterol, and really getting me healthy again as I was up to a couple months ago. So don't give up. That's the message. Please don't give up. CKD knock you down, diabetes or chronic disease knock you down. What do? You punch back real hard. Punch back. Give them a real punch. Knock it out. There's a lot more clinical data on what we can do. This is cilantro. I'm preparing. I like to chop it a little bit so I get all the goodness out of it. Okay, that goes there. Okay. Hate to see a mess. We're going to chop the rosemary, which I'm losing here. These are some dried rosemary. Oh. Just add it there with the cilantro. Okay. Celery. Good old celery. Celery is supposed to be high in sodium, but it's great for you. The irony is that it helps you to also regulate sodium, according to the data. Okay. Tomato. Everything is already washed. Okay. It's right on there. I do have to rinse this off. Good old onion. That's another very healthy veggie. Has so much polyphenols and antioxidants. If you're suffering from kidney disease or diabetes, these are some of the ways you can stay healthy, live long. Diabetes and chronic kidney disease are not terminal. That's what a doctor told me a long time ago when I was first diagnosed with CKD 20 years ago, almost 20 years ago. And I listened. And so I got to learning what to eat, how to eat is half of the battle. Gotta stay healthy. Garlic is another great herb. Oh, that one's not good. That's gone. Some red peppers. red bell peppers, and some green. Cilantro, cilantro. More garlic. All right. So this is what it looks like. And now, see you in a minute. Uh-oh. Okay. That's good. Good enough. I don't need to be showing anything but that.